How long does it take for Julius to get his feet wet? On average, into a trip, how long does it take? Like...
Okay, the camera is rolling, so from now on
within the first hour. All or nothing. Okay, so yeah, so first step is climb this dodgy bridge with moss and wet stuff on it. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
You think I'll manage?
We'll see.
You think you'll manage?
I will.
Okay.
Because I have a plan. I'm not sure if you have a plan.
I'm here in my city clothes.
Very smooth, Ouwe. Proud of you. Okay, here we go.
The worst throw ever, man.
What about the bag, man? How we get the bag on the other side?
Fling it, yeah.
Hey, will you catch it?
I'll try.
Okay,
Wait, you gotta throw it. Like I can't go any further. Look at this guy. What just fell out of your pocket?
What? No, seriously, that is stupid.
I think it was bark. You got away with it.
I'll manage my pockets.
You didn't do that yet, no?
No. Yeah, that's.
Leatherman.
Could have been worse.
Phone. Plop.
Am I already there?
Oh.
I would say that will do. Alrighty.
Yay. So this is the spot, eh?
It is. How are we gonna make the fire today?
Well, since I'm in my civil gear.
We want to practice a bowdrill.
Are you serious?
Keep it up.
Smooth Gefixt, ouwe.
Take care about nature.
First Monday of the month, boys. Yeah, what's this shit, man? Okay, quick.
Look at your bearing block, man.
My finger's about to catch fire. That'll do, man. A nice shimmery going on here, no? Hmm? Yeah? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Plenty of wind, that's good. Huh? Chance it.
Say that again first.
We have enough twigs.
Chance it. We don't do chancing, Dylan.
We do, man.
Is it this time of the day again? Smooth Gefixt time.
Ho, 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 ho. Yeah. Oh man.
Get some air going in there. Need backup? Don't move it too much.
Good? I'd say we are. Uh-oh. Beaver left his mark. Gave us some fret wood. Fresh wood. One more to go.
What are you doing?
Smoke in my face. I'm thinking about moving, but then the smoke will move too. Right, so that's my piece. I'm gonna make a bowl.
How you know?
Yeah, like a little saucer bowl. You know, like a flat one, flat bowl.
Okay.
Like a coin basket, you know?
Ah.
It's nice and snug under the tarp, isn't it?
It is.
Blah, 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 bullshit talk. Huh?
Okay, let's get carving.
Now, lovely. Okay, let's start chopping. You know what you're gonna make yet?
I do know what I'm gonna make.
Are you gonna tell everybody yet?
No, I'll keep it a secret.
Ooh.
I better hope the person to get this present isn't a fan of us. Because otherwise there's spoilers.
Right.
Christmas presents, right?
I guess so, yeah.
You guess so?
Yeah, why not, right?
A bit twisty now.
Right, so apparently I'm blessed with fate, or what was it?
Yes.
Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, Ta-da! I got away with that one. I think this is gonna be the bottom, and this is gonna be the top. Huh?
A bottom and a top.
Yeah, like a cup and saucer.
Cup and saucer.
Cup and saucer, man.
That's not within my standard of living.
Or you think I'll get away with 2 presents? Save one for next year.
Save one. That's so cheap, man.
Right, carry on. So.
Wat nu?
Smoke. There's like literally no flame here, man. Hey dude, I'm hungry, man.
Then it's time to...
Yeah, but still kind of need my time to carve, you know? You're making a spoon.
No.
No.
What are you doing here now then?
Because of your mama, I mean my mama. Hi.
Family matters. You're not coming here to do bushcraft, do you?
No, this is a bit of a last minute thing. Hence I'm here with my civil gear.
Silky going so silky smooth. Wat ga je nu weer? Wat doe je nu? Guess what it is? You know what it is? You know it? There's still a place for a backhoe. It can do finer work than the silky can. That is not going smooth. Let's try the silky, after all. Oh, there is after all no place for the backhoe. Too bad. Oh no. No, it's fine. But the wood isn't it's just willow wood. It's not really like strong, but easy to carve. Maybe it would have been better for this fragile spork to use a hardwood. How much chance of success do we give this? Not so flat.
Like
You're using the Ray Mears crook knife.
Yeah. It's a bit awkward to do delicate moves with it. You were very, you know, if you want to use the curve, you're very far away from it, kind of.
It's for bigger jobs, isn't it?
It seems, yeah.
Well, it's a pull knife as well.
Oops.
Loads of firewood.
Goedemorgen.
Ja. How about this one now?
Wow.
Look at that one going.
Should be okay. Alright. Bereit, ja?
but I think now it goes way too slow.
It's starting to burn already. Okay. Oh. This is where you go crack. I make myself some sort of prongs. Ow!
It landed precisely where you wanted it, right?
Yeah.
That worked.
It's hot anyway, like something happening. Oh, there's stuff coming out, dude.
Don't mess with it too much.
I think it might be a bit too hot.
Uh-oh.
Nice try, right?
Food spillage. This one can go in there. Oops.
This is pretty manky, man.
Manky? What is that for word?
Manky is manky.
Manky is manky. Okay, that works out for me. Man, there's still some left there. Go spooning it up.
Ja, koekoek, je moet er houden.
No.
Normaal houden, moet je nou toch zien. How are you gonna salvage this, dude?
Well.
Don't tell me that if you weren't vegan you would eat this.
No. I'll save some food. Je kon er toch het bovenste beetje eraf happen?
Er was geen bovenste beetje, G.
Oké.
Ga toch niet mal lopen doen.
So what's the new strategy then?
A bigger hole and more moderate heat, I guess. What do you think of this bread, dude?
Maybe it's going well. Maybe.
That might be a good answer, no?
I think it's going well actually. Okay. I'm gonna get myself some nuts here. Ja, lekker pakken. Huh? What?
Mind my egg, dude. Hey, this bread, it's starting to annoy me, man.
What? What about it?
Because nothing has changed. Ooh, it has. It's gonna be crispy. But this, I'm not sure.
I'm gonna claim the fire, man.
Yeah, well, we just call off the bread then altogether.
No. How about it?
Well, this is the end. Sort of half done.
But half done.
Edible.
No.
You throwing this in, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
That's a lot of mushrooms.
Oh, whoa. Can we save that one?
Yeah, it blow on it, man. It's wet and it fell into ashes.
Okay, I eat it.
2.
Oh no, another one. Don't just ashes healthy?
I'm not sure. There's ash in dog food. I don't know why that is.
Well, good for the digestion system.
The ingestion or the digestion?
The digestion. It is
Bushcraft sauce.
herbs from you know the.
Oh, from the soup.
From the
like the noodles.
Yeah, maybe not everything.
What flavor was it? Do you remember?
I had no idea.
Dude, your bread.
Oh, we're baking. That's what we're doing.
But dude, I don't like the thing that looks at this getting black. Does that look black to you?
It looks brown. It looks perfectly baked.
Definitely done.
You can take it out.
Huh?
You take it?
Yeah?
Seems.
Is yours really hard?
No man, it's not done.
I don't know, let's try it.
It's edible, but mushy.
Don't let the Germans hear you say that, man.
What is that?
I have to explain it to you now. Mushy is the C word.
Come on, help me out. Help me out, my boy.
Got you say.
Really? Okay. Explain us, what's happening?
Little bowl thing.
What's with this then?
This is going to be roughly the same size, but then a little deeper.
Okay.
Yep.
And where do you use these kind of utilities for?
I have no idea, man. You tell me.
Well, you're the creator here. So this is more in the category of art instead of practicability.
No, decorative.
Decorative. Well, my spork is not yet ready for mushroom hunting. Well, yeah. Okay, man, but I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat. Oh no. Those herbs, they worked out.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah, we have to hike back to civilization.
Well,
Not that that's very.
that's not really a big hike, is it? We're
How long?
in the Netherlands. Check out the finished result on our Instagram. Do we want Instagram followers?
It's a nice little way of posting pictures and things, I guess.
So, Dylan, when do we see you back again?
Depends on when you're coming to Ireland.
Maybe you're still going to Scotland, right? Maybe.
Yeah.
Winter trip in Scotland.
Yeah, it'd be cool. I have a lot of cool ideas to do myself too, but
That's for the far future, isn't it?
yeah, for the moment,
You are busy with? Come on.
your mama.
That's not nice to say.
Just busy at the moment.
Yeah, so next week I'll be back launching a new channel. How about that, Dylan?
Yeah, don't be. Yeah.
Come on, I'm excited about it.
You have to. Yeah, no, that's fair enough. But don't be like propaganda. You know, not too much propaganda, please. You know.
Well, you can already subscribe here a week later.
Really? Is that how you're gonna roll? Just,
No,
there's a point to the new channel, right?
yeah. I love doing documentaries about conservation issues and environmental stuff and that kind of stuff. That's all cool, but if you want to do that a lot, then we can't all put that all on this channel. It's a bit different, so.
Yeah, true. It's
That's-
like the video you made about.
Yellowfish, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I don't want to do it all by myself. I hope to work together with other creators and do other awesome stuff. It shouldn't be a Julius show. That's the main thing.
Yeah, no, it's
It
cool.
should be some common thing, you know,
Yeah.
common atmosphere.
With with views from different people
Yeah.
about different topics, different places.
Yes, and different creations.
It's cool.
Hope to see you back soon, buddy.
Who? This is me now, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Comment, subscribe, like, all the blah blah. Check out the other videos. New channel next week. Anything to say, Dylan? Come on.
No, man, you're just straight up propaganda. It's really awful.
What do you do?
Huh?
What do you do?
What do? I do nothing. But like I don't tell people to, you know, join me, do nothing, just for like, you know.
Okay, I'm the bad guy.
You just said, yeah, I'm starting a new channel next week. Everybody click the subscribe button. You know.
Hope you like this one, and thanks for watching.
Smooth Gefixt.
Ah, fuck.